Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. A big theme of this market is that we're seeing the stocks that were loved in the past continuing to get hammered. I do think this is a process that is going to intensify over the next several weeks. Stocks like PayPal, Now, AVGO, Shopify, they're all just kind of rolling and getting whacked. Now the indexes are also getting whacked at a slower rate. But I obviously like these as well. I'll talk about some strategies in the premium video that you can kind of take advantage of this stuff and still not have a lot at risk, but at the same time have a lot of potential upside potential. But in the meantime, just keep in mind that on the daily chart, we do have this 821 EMA cross. Any rallies to the 21 EMA are shortable, and then in lieu of that, any rallies to the 8 EMA are shortable. What happens in something like this, though, is keep in mind is that when you do get one big down day, it typically translates into more selling the next day simply because of people that loaded up thinking that this was the rally that was going to break out. They ended up using too much margin and end up getting whacked in the end. What was interesting about today's move is that even the stocks that have been holding up pretty well, like Home Depot, also got caught up in the selling. Now Home Depot ended up only down 7 cents, but this is a stock that has been very strong as of late. Same with Walmart. You can see Walmart was fine today, but even at the end of today, it got caught up in the selling and has now formed a pretty nasty bearish ledge type pattern here. If you haven't seen something like this, or kind of a wedge, where you get something like that and you take out the low, it prompts a free fall in that stock. All right, and these are good stocks and these are healthy stocks. So keep in mind that if money is coming out of the healthy stocks at a slower rate, it's accelerating out of the high-flying stocks at a much faster rate at this point. And so one question is where is this money going? Okay, or is it just evaporating? Well, on a day like today, you had money coming out of all stocks and all sectors, and a lot of it going into volatility protection type funds like the VIX. And we'll kind of dig more into this into the premium video as well. But you can see that there's a lot of money flow going into hedging strategies at this time. All right, so we'll dive into some more stuff. Keep in mind, I'm looking for this volatility to the downside to continue over the next several weeks, and then we'll look for a hard bottom for about a multi-week rally towards the end of the month. All right, should not be dull. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you at the next update.